Hello guys, today we're going to be opening a Jirachi, I think is how you say it, blister pack. I got this at Walmart. I know it's not the usual, but I really like this coin and this card, so I thought I'd open this. So let's get through this. It has one pack, sadly, but better than nothing. I start opening packs like this. I almost got it. Okay. Pack. I really don't like how they pack these cards, but the card, very nice, holographic. I like it a little. I hate how it's bent, but came in the package that way. I saw it at Walmart where it was like that. And a chest spin coin. I like the shine on it. Okay, so let's get to this. I'm really hoping for a Mega EX. I've really been wanting a Mega for a very long time. Okay, let's take that, put it over there. I keep forgetting to try to find out how to do the code on the card thing on that, so I'm sorry guys. Wait, hold on. Take out the back 3 and then put it like that. I think that's it now. I'm not sure. Okay, assault vest. There's the hollow. Hold on. Let's put those in the back. Okay, Rots. Swinub. Noibat. Skiddo. Zora. Piloswine. Brazen. Teddisaura. And Florges, non-hollow. But, I mean, it was worth it considering the promo. I think that's a very nice card, so thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to try to do another pack opening very soon, but until next time, thank you.